Hello guys! So now nandito na naman ako dito sa mountains. This is the mountains. The forest, mini forest. Okay. So today we're going to learn the kinds of ecosystem. Yes, ecosystem. Bakit pa ulit-ulit ko itong sinasabi? Ecosystem. Kasi part tayo sa ecosystem. We are part of it. And then we live in it. And then we survive in the ecosystem. We get our food, we get our oxygen from the ecosystem. Kaya gusto kong i-share palagi sa inyo about ecosystem. Kasi hindi na siya sa high school, wala na eh. Limitado na yung discussions about ecosystem, which is dapat nandun pa yon kasi very important. Kasi how the young appreciate our environment if they don't know what is in it. Ganon. Okay? So, again, ecosystem are the community or the area where living organisms like us, animals, and plants, and other microorganisms are interacting with each other and their non-living environment. So, what are these non-living? The sunlight, the soil, the water, the temperature, and then what is it? I forgot the other one. Okay, sunlight, water, temperature, soil, and then the air. Yes, the air. Why we interact? Because we need them all. We need sunlight, we need soil, we need water, we need the we need the temperature. Enough temperature. Ganon. So, what are the kinds of ecosystem? That is it. Now, the kinds of ecosystem are the natural and the artificial or the man-made ecosystem. Again, natural ecosystem, artificial or man-made ecosystem. Now, what are the examples of the natural ecosystem? Now, these examples of the natural ecosystem are the sea, the ocean, the river, the mountains, the grasslands, and then what else? And the hills. So those are the examples of the natural ecosystem. And then for the man-made or the artificial ecosystems are the fish ponds, the farms, the plantations of the different plants like the coconut, sugarcane, and what is that? Pineapple. So those are examples of the man-made ecosystem, fish ponds. And then another one is the aquarium, the terrarium. So those are the man-made ecosystem or the artificial ecosystem. Any ecosystem that is made by man are examples of the man-made or the artificial ecosystem. So ano ba ang kaibahan ng dalawa? Okay. Now for the natural ecosystem, it is high biodiversity. So ano bang ibig sabihin ng high biodiversity? Meaning, there are many different kinds of plants growing in this area. Yes. And then, there are many different kinds of animals living in this area. That is why they are called high biodiversity, meaning diversified, different kinds of plants and animals living in that area. That is high biodiversity. And that is the characteristics of the natural ecosystem. And then another one is the natural ecosystem, aside from having this high biodiversity, it is also less or low maintenance. Because we don't put anything on it in order to develop the area. Okay? Low maintenance because they are self-regulating. They are self-maintaining. They are self-regrowing. Yes. Animals there are also they can support their own food according to what is in that area. Okay, so that is what is that? That is low maintenance. And then for the artificial, it is low biodiversity. Bakit low biodiversity? Because it is controlled. So like for example, the farm. Now the farm is controlled. Why controlled? The farm is controlled. Why? Because it is other plants are removed. Other animals are removed. Only the plant that the farmer want to grow is remain on that area. So for example, it is for the rice. Only rice is growing there. The rest is removed. That is controlled. Okay? And then animals also that will attack to the farmers will always put something on it in order for this farm will not be attacked with other animals that will be will destroy their plants. So ganyan po yan. So for the artificial, it is low biodiversity dahil hindi pwedeng mayroong ibang mo-compete sa food, nutrients sa kanilang mga halaman. Ganun po yon, controlled. So, like for example, the corn only. The rest are removed. That is why the artificial or the man-made are having low biodiversity. Limited ang organisms na kailangan doon lang. Okay, that is. So, the difference is that the natural is high biodiversity and then the man-made is low biodiversity. And in the case of the maintenance, for the maintenance, it is high maintenance yung artificial or man-made. Bakit? Because kailangan nila ng fertilizers, kailangan nila ng pesticides, and then kailangan nilang alagaan because plants will not grow kung hindi nila alagaan yung kanilang mga halaman. So, and then kinocultivate pa ang land before planting. So that is why the natural and or the man-made ecosystems are high maintenance. So those are the difference between the natural and the man-made ecosystem. Yes, the natural and the man-made. So for the natural, it is high biodiversity, low maintenance. And then for the man-made, it is low biodiversity and high maintenance. So for more information about this, you can do the research. Yes. Okay, so that is all and bye-bye.